Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem digital code on Amazon. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to redeem digital codes on your Amazon account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in amazon.com and hit enter. In order to redeem your code, first you'll be required to sign into your account. So we'll sign into our Amazon account like this and hit on continue, and after that you'll be required to enter the password and hit on enter and hit on sign in. And after signing into your account, let's say my account on this computer, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the hello / your name and the account and list, and when you hover over it you can see the account option available over. Click on account, and after that you can see the gift cards option available over here. Click on gift cards. After that you can see redeem a gift card option available over here. Click on redeem a gift card, and after that enter your claim code over here, whatever type of digital card you have, either a gift card or redeem code, anything, and click on apply to your balance. Then the net worth of that amount will be applied on your main balance over here. And there guys, this is how you redeem your electronic or your digital codes on your Amazon app. And if you have any questions or confusions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.